Maybe go out on a date, go to dinner or something?
Oh, I'm sorry, that's cute of you, but I'm just not really interested. I'm sorry.
No?
Yeah,
Okay,
no.
alright, no, you're good, you're
Yeah,
good.
I'm not really
You think I
interested.
could like your Instagram or something?
I'm sorry. I'm just not really into guys that look like you.
Oh, wait, why? You don't like the drip? You don't like the Louis Vuitton shoes or anything?
Is that saying good times start now?
Yeah, that's, this is from, what's that one movie?
Alright, so let me fix my stuff real quick, man. So, look, yo. So, out of all the little gold digger videos, right? Out of all how gold digger videos are done, you mean to tell me that, and yes, this is continuing from part one. So, y'all mean to tell me that, once again, y'all didn't even have Shorty change her clothes? Like, but since this, okay, since he wanted Fresh Panda want to use the same girl, same car, same clothes as his homeboy, it's clear they shooting them back to back. It's clear one's going, and another was going, and another was going, and they will just drop it all the same day. Don't care how many people see the same girl at the same car with the same clothes on with a different dude. So, but since they want us to, like I said, what we normally say in our videos is, since they want us to believe that their content is real, we're gonna react to their content like it's real. So, with that being said, right, we're about to react to this content like it's real. So let me get this right. So I guess Shorty's just chilling in. So I guess Shorty's just chilling in the little spot, whatever, just chilling, just. Hold on. Shorty's just chilling in a little spot by the way. So, I guess Lurks never got in the car and pulled off. I guess Lurks took off running away from his own whip. So I guess now it's Fresh Panda's whip. Oh man, that shit funny. So now it's Fresh Panda's whip. And the funny thing about it is, if you watch part one, you have to watch part one in order to understand this part two. So if you don't watch part one, then you're not gonna understand what we even talking about in part two. So they both connect. Instead of doing We Don't Forget, we just made two videos. So look, so you mean to tell me that that Shorty don't know that there's a camera? Y'all remember in Lurk's video, she turned around and she smiled at the camera, gave her a middle finger, all that. So Shorty don't know there's a camera right there. All of a sudden, in the same spot she was with Lurk's, now she with this nigga.
I can't remember,
It
but
doesn't register.
no, you're good.
Yeah.
But yeah, you think I could like your number then?
I think you're a little bit too pushy with me
Too
right
pushy?
now. It's like late.
I
It's
know.
nighttime.
No, I
You're
understand
a little
that.
bit weird.
What's your
Yeah.
name though? My name's Chris.
No.
No? You're just gonna
I'm
reject me
sorry,
like
Chris.
that?
This is a little bit
Okay.
much right now.
Well, wait, hold on. What if I take you out or something?
Oh, she said he a little creepy, a little weird. Okay, which let's be 100, man. Late night, right? Late night where they are at park wherever they're parked at underneath some overpass or highway or something, wherever they're parked at. That would be creepy, realistically, if somebody approached you, you know what I'm saying, like that, stuff like that. But you see how Shorty was walking off, like, no, creepy. She started walking off, then she stopped, then she turned back around, like, this nigga silly, dog. And what these niggas be thinking when they be doing this shit, like, for real, what they really be thinking when they be sitting here using the same girl. I understand you use the same girl. Okay, we get that. We know you niggas use the same girl, right? But what I don't understand is, okay, you gonna use the same girl, but you ain't gonna have her change no damn clothes. Like, at least have Shorty change some damn clothes, man. Come on. Shit crazy.
No, we go on like a date. Like huh? No?
Oh,
What?
is that a Lamborghini?
Yeah, it's a Lambo. I just got it.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted to take you out. Like I didn't know how to approach you, because like, yeah. But like, you want to go out or something, or like what?
I mean, yeah, of course.
Yeah?
You were just talking about Starbucks, right? I like Starbucks.
Yep.
And then she goes from, now she acting like she ain't never seen that car. Is that a Lambo? No good damn well, it's a damn Lambo. No good damn well in part one, you was in there with Lurks and you saw the whip and same situation, same whatever. Well, at least they try to switch the approach up though, man. What y'all think about this shit in the comment section, man? Y'all gotta roast these niggas in the comment section, man. This shit too funny. That shit acting like she just went in there recording with another motherfucker with the same car, same location. Wait. Is that a Lambo? Like, come on, man.
But honestly, like, I'm trying to just go to dinner or something. Like I said, I'm new here, so.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go to dinner.
Okay, where do you want to go?
I'm sorry about saying the thing about your shirt earlier. I actually know. I really like that.
Oh, you do know where it's from? Where's it from then?
I've heard it before.
Oh, you heard it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we go to like a nice dinner or something, and then just see.
Perfect.
Here, I got you.
Yeah, open
Yeah,
the
I got
door.
you.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry about earlier.
Have you ever been in a Lambo?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, why'd you change though? Like, why'd you like come back and like talk to me again?
Something just like registered. It was like your eyes, I think.
Oh, you being a gold digger? Did that register?
Yeah, man. So look, I don't know whose whips these niggas be borrowing and all this shit, whatever. But most definitely, these niggas gotta get the car back. Most definitely, or I think it's somebody's parents' car, or somebody knows somebody who got something, whatever. But anyway, we ain't worried about counting nobody's pockets or none of that. We ain't trying to be, oh yeah, he got money, this person. We don't care about none of that. I'm just saying in general, man. Like, I'm just saying in general, man. Like. And he opened the door, and then she like, so was she just hanging? Was she just randomly, hung out in the parking lot after the nigga lurks? What she do? Whenever lurks dissed her, she saw the camera. She walked off, and then lurks pulled off, and then she sat in the parking lot hiding underneath some tree or hiding behind the corner or something like that, some bush, to wait to see when he come back so she can get at him again. But when he came back, it was this dude. But she was standing there like, what? Look, if somebody sit these two niggas down, in the room and asked them what was the overall purpose, like the whole concept behind you using this girl and posting them, and you using the same girl, same car, same clothes, and posting all the same day. What did they really think that was a great idea? Somebody should, what do you think the niggas' response would be, man? Anyways, man, let's continue watching, bro. See where this shit go.
What?
Did that register? You being a gold digger?
What are you talking about?
You only came back for the car.
That's not true, actually.
No, that is true.
I know.
You only came.
Why would you say that about me?
Because you're.
I thought we were just connecting.
No, we're not connecting.
We're
not connecting.
Stop.
You're a gold digger.
I'm not
Yo,
a
go
gold
kick
digger.
rocks. Go kick rocks.
Okay, wait, just give me a little tour.
No, I'm not giving you a tour. Yo, no, you can hop out of here. Hop out of here.
Oh,
Get out of here.
Really
No.
Nice. Oh, is this?
No.
Does that light up? Oh, wow.
Yeah, it does light up, but you're not going in it. So go. Get away from the car. You go kick some rocks.
How could you do this to
Yeah,
me?
go on the streets or something. I don't know. Go.
I wanted
Bye-bye.
to show you to Starbucks.
No, I don't.
All right, so since they want us to believe they stuff real, we're going to react to their stuff like it's real. All right, so how would this make you feel? You try to holler at somebody and they not hollering at you. You and them the only person out there at nighttime, late at night. And then when you tell them to kick rocks and all that stuff, you run away from your car instead of kind of running and getting in your car. Because most people, what they do, right? They want us to believe it's real. We're gonna react like it's real. But look, most people they don't run away from their car. You know what I'm saying? Especially when there's a female who obviously doesn't have like a weapon. She's a female, obviously does not have a weapon. Obviously, she's not no karate, or maybe, we know she ain't got no weapon. So why would you run away from your car and have your door open still instead of being sneaky here up and running and diving in your car and closing the door and locking the door and turning the car on and driving? So, I mean, I'm just saying, the average person's not going to run away from their car if they're scared, right? They want somebody to get away from them. They're going to take their chance running and diving in their damn car. Just saying, man. Like, make it make sense, man.
Well, I don't even want to see the Starbucks. I just said that to approach you because I didn't know another way to approach you, and I thought you were cute. But now that you're a gold digger, I'm not taking you out.
Wait, what? No, come on. Let's just hop in the car. Let's start off differently.
All right, I'll see you later.
Let's just start. Let's start things off differently.
All right, how about you just get away from the car because now you're giving me the bad vibes. You said I was creepy or something, and now you're switching up like this?
No, but peep this though. Just 10 seconds ago, he was scared. He was running away from the car. Now that he got the opportunity to, because he's standing in the back of the car, right? Now he got the opportunity to hurry up and run around the car and dive in the driver's seat and get away. He stops and talks. It's like you tell her, hey, you know, you told me I was creepy earlier. Now you're acting creepy now, but you're stopping and talking, but you scared. How does it make sense? I'm scared, but now I'm stopping talking about the back of my car when I got the opportunity to run away now. So now you ain't scared no more that she's chilling out, or oh no, man, that shit crazy, man.
I don't mean to seem overbearing.
Nah, you're a gold digger.
I just thought
You're a gold digger.
you're
No.
really cute though.
No. All right, I'll catch you later. You go
No,
kick some
I
rocks.
just- No, you
Okay, so
seem really sweet.
no, you could go because I'm not gonna date a gold digger. I'm not gonna go out with a gold digger, and I'm not gonna associate myself with a gold digger. So I'll see you later.
Stop.
Stop what?
So let me get this right, man. Right, let me get this shit right. So, homeboy leaves the car door open, right? He runs away from the car, right? Basically to run around the car and stop at the back of the car, right? And talk to a person, right? That he was running from, only to not walk around the back of the car and get in, but only to walk back around the front of the car to stop right in the front of the car to talk, and then go to the driver's side door, I guess, to proceed to get in. Where all he had to do was go around the back of the car and get in. It's just hilarious, man.
No, I'm not taking you. Not happening. All right, I'll see you later.
My babe.
Go kick some. Okay, all right. You gotta get away. Why are you still here? I don't want to go with you.
I feel like you're hurting my feelings now.
I'm not. How am I hurting your feelings? I don't want to go with you. You didn't even give me your name or anything. Like, what is your name?
My name's Chloe.
Here, maybe we can start over. You want to start over? Okay,
Yes,
here.
come
I
on.
got. All right.
Come on.
Okay, here.
Come on.
All right. What's your name?
My name's
All right. My name's
Chloe.
Chris. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Look though, hold on, man. You ran away from the person to go to the back of the car on the passenger side seat, only to come back to the front of the car and front by the engine, the hood, and talk, only to go to your driver's side, get in the car, sit there and talk, only to get out and come back to like, nigga, ain't nobody doing all that, bro. Like, come on, man. And plus, too, ain't nobody turn that down. Shorty by herself, it's just you and Shorty. You're not finna turn that down. Like, I mean, come on, man. This thing's crazy, man.
All right. So I just want to like know why you were being kind of mean. Like it
Chris,
seemed like you were like creeped out or something.
for all I know, you could have just been a random person on the side of the street.
Okay, I get that. I get that.
This makes you legit.
I
And
get-
not in a money way.
So it's the money that
not
makes
in
me
a money
legit.
way, but like I didn't see you had a car, you were lost.
So you're saying
these are telltale signs of abduction.
Okay, so I'm gonna keep it. Let's be 100, man, real quick, right? I know we'll react to the videos and all that shit, but we gonna be real 100 about that statement that she just said. And this is why I say a lot of times in these videos that these dudes are delusional. They need to switch their intro up because nobody's entitled to talk to you. Nobody's entitled to get you. Nobody's entitled to get your information. And it's why we say this stuff about Damien Cryer's videos also cringy old man, because this is what it comes off as. Right, so Shorty basically said, look, bro, you ain't got no car. You basically was out here. Basically, these are telltale signs of some abduction shit going on, meaning that you know what I mean, you pop out of nowhere, you have nothing, you're just trying to get me, and you actually want me, and it's like, bro, like, where'd you come from? So this is why I say a lot of stuff about when you watch their videos. This is why when you watch their videos, you'll see that it's like, you know, well, why didn't you drive up with the car? Why don't you show them that you are it, instead of trying to act like you are not it and coming off with creeper vibes and vibes like, hey, bro, you know, I don't know you, why you follow me, dude? Like, you could be a kidnapper, like the world crazy. So that is probably the realest shit. That's probably one of the realest statements, and I'm not making it a big thing. Like, wow, it's a big thing. That's the realest statement ever. Not making it like that. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying is that was the realest thing, the realest statement, the realest action in that whole video and part one also. So, yeah. So, I may save that clip for a reason. But anyways, what y'all think about that in the comment section? And that's why I be telling a lot of people, that's why I be telling a lot of people, we just a content reaction channel. We just react to content, right? but we got a different view on we got different views on different things, and we react different over it. We don't react how most of these people react to content on YouTube. You know, everybody damn near do the same thing, but there's always certain amounts of people who do something different. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section.
And then I saw this, and you seem like you have a good foundation.
Yeah, but
I'm wife material.
no. So
Something's not really
you
clicking
basically just
I
said
feel like-
it's the car that like made me trustworthy, pretty much.
It's just
So
goes
you're a
to
gold
show
digger.
that You're a working man. And
So
I'm
if you
not-
find-
I'm a working girl too.
Okay, no, you're a gold digger.
This is
That's all
crazy.
you
I
are.
thought
You're
we were
just
starting over.
No, you're a gold digger. All right, I'll catch
I'm
you.
not a gold digger.
Yes, you are. All right, you can go. I'm not gonna take you. You're a gold digger. I don't want you. Bye bye. You're not even cute, to be honest. So you can go. What?
I don't even. Whoa. You
What?
just said I'm not cute.
No, you're not. Go. You're for the streets, honestly.
All right, and then I seen how he walked to his car, right? I seen a lot of things in there. I'm only gonna pinpoint 2 things. I know y'all gonna see a lot of stuff. I seen how homeboy walked to his car and walked back away from his door again, and I saw how Shorty was looking at the camera and all that, doing her hair, right? So, but yeah, man. But he's still standing there arguing with Shorty. Keep telling Shorty to leave, go, and the car's already started. Well, all you really got to do is get in your car, close your door, and pull off. Like, shit, what hell?
You're for the streets, honestly.
Okay, I don't even. All right, I'm done playing nice.
All right,
now.
bye.
I'm done.
You're playing
nice
now.
now.
Oh, you're done playing nice now.
I'm
Okay,
done
so what are you gonna
playing
do?
nice now, okay?
What's your mean? Because you're.
All right,
you're on...
this is a little bit ridiculous. I was gonna do you a favor to get in this car with you. You could flex me around to all of your friends.
Why would I wanna
We can
flex
go
the
drive
gold digger?
around, and now you're starting to pull this.
If I wanted to
Seriously.
do that, I'd go like somewhere else. You know. Why
What?
would I want to flex a gold digger?
I'm not a gold digger. I
Yes, you
have
are.
class. What are
No,
you
you're
gonna go
not.
to the to go pick up some people?
Yeah, I
I'm
might
a gold-
have to.
Please.
They'll probably be better than you. I'm not gonna lie.
That's funny.
All right. So that's your mean. That's all you're gonna say. All right. Yeah. Go.
No.
I'll see you later.
No.
What are you gonna do?
Let's.
All right. No, I'm walking. Nope. Get. All right.
Babe, come on. Let's.
All right, first off, bro, he tried to close the door like he mad and walking over the road. First off, nigga, you should have been in the car 3-4 minutes ago and up out of there. I ain't gonna say 3-4 minutes ago, but you should have been in the car at least 2.5 minutes ago. You know what I'm saying? And you should have been up out of there. Secondly, your door should have already been locked, bro. You should have known Shorty was walking over. You should have locked your door so she couldn't get in. Like, you know, she's on the other side of the car. You're by the driver's side door. You know, you have enough time to actually get in your car, close your door, and lock your doors. You know, you have enough time to do that. I'm just saying, man. Like, come on now.
Enough of this.
No. All right. I'm actually taking off. All right. I'll see you later.
No.
No. You're playing too much. You're playing way too much.
I'm
No, you're not getting in. You are not getting in. Get out.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
I don't want you.
Stop.
What do you mean stop? What
I'm
am I
gonna
doing?
start crying.
That's your
You
fault.
make
I don't
me
know.
feel like
I
an
don't know what to tell
object.
you. I don't know what to tell you. I don't want to go with you. I'm sorry. You're a gold digger. You came back for the car. Honestly, look. I'm going to show you something right now. You see the camera over there? We're recording a gold digger prank, and you're going to be a part of it. You see the camera?
How would you do this to me?
All right, don't. You kind of just slammed the door. All right,
Good.
go. Look, there's a camera over there.
Stop recording.
No way.
Stop.
All right, so that's the end of that video, man. So she already knew the camera's over. So now she's crying. So hold on. So in Fresh Panda video, she crying at the end of the video. Stop recording. Stop, right? But in Lurk's video, man, she's smiling and giving the camera middle finger. Oh, my goodness, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section. Check out Wallz Production Live. Subscribe to that channel. Make sure to share these videos, man. Make sure to like make sure to like the video too, so it can get recommended in the YouTube algorithm, and we get more people to come over and watch these videos and make more people to subscribe. With that being said, man, we are out, man.